We'll guide you through how to see your TikTok password if you forgot it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've forgotten your TikTok password and you want to check if you can see it before going through the full reset process, as that can be tedious. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. You can follow this on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. So let's go and get started. So what you need to do is you need to actually come out of TikTok. So first of all, for the first method, you want to try checking the password manager on your device. So for example, on an iPhone, there's a dedicated app. I'll cover that in a moment. If you're using another device, you can open up settings. And what you can do is press search in the top right or bottom right and go and type in password, as you can then hopefully find the password manager. As I said, on an iPhone, there's a dedicated app. So what you can do is come to the second page, find the utilities folder and open it up. And there is passwords. You can always go and drag down and go and type in passwords as well. Open it up and you'll need to go and unlock it. Then you can go and press search at the bottom and you can go and type in TikTok, find the right account if you've got multiple, and you can tap on it and I can then tap on the password to go and reveal it. This will only work if it's been saved there though. If you find you can't find it there, another place you can try looking is your Google account manager. If you use a device like an Android or you've signed in on Google Chrome, open up a web browser of your choice and you can then come to google.com, go to the top right and you can press your profile icon and press manage your Google account. Then you can go and find the option for security and sign in, tap there, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can find password manager. Then you can go and tap there like so. You can go and press search and you want to go and press search and you can go and type in TikTok. If this one's been saved, you can then tap on it. You need to go and verify and authorize yourself here. So let me just go and enter in my password. Then we can go and press next. Now we can go and see the different accounts here, and to reveal the password, you can press the I to the right and hopefully you've now managed to go and see it. If you still haven't, as a last resort, you can go and reset your password. Press profile in the bottom right and press the three lines in the top right and press settings and privacy. You can try pressing account and then go and press password, but you can't go and actually reset it here. So to go and reset it, what you need to do is come back to the main settings and privacy, scroll down to log out and press log out again, press log out again. Then you want to press the bin icon to the right of the account to go and remove it. Then you can go and press use phone, email, or username. You can go and press on an option you want at the top. I'll go and use the username. Press continue, and then what you can do is press need help logging in, and you can then reset it with phone or email. That's going to be up to you.